In this episode of Redone, we transform this motel room into this. Let's get started. This motel room is pretty unfinished, so I can't comment much on the design, but the layout can definitely be improved. We will be placing the closet and coffee bench along this wall and placing the study desk by the window. No one likes looking through burglar bars, so the window will be replaced with a steel-framed window and the old school aircon removed. We really want that boutique hotel look, so we are replacing the bed with a 4-poster bed and side tables to match. Floor is being replaced with timber flooring, and this tiny TV is definitely going. And this is the final result.